Please welcome Lisa Stone.
Hi, everybody. Thank you. And another huge round of applause for those very brave dancers. I have to say that I certainly wouldn't be here if it weren't the men who had supported Blogher, which I co-founded and was CEO of until our successful exit. Both our investors and also the men at home, my sons and my partner, Chris Carfey. As an entrepreneur and as an advisor, I have certainly watched and experienced personally what happens when an utterly unknown expert has a huge disruptive solution that catapults them to the top of an industry. And I'm here today to talk to you about CloudForest. This only works when the person who is in charge of the company, the founders who are leading the team, have two key ingredients. They need to be either completely experts at what they're doing. They need real boots on the ground data. They also have to have missionary zeal. Aide Fitch, the CEO and co-founder of CloudForest, has both those magical ingredients. First, when I met her, I was blown away by the degree to which she could practically and markedly break down the very serious issues she and her clients have faced in her work as an architect and her work as a builder. She is doing this because she wants to use the incredible tool set that they are developing. But more importantly, perhaps, is her missionary zeal. This is her industry. She loves it. She believes it needs to be revolutionized so that the public and private projects that are experiencing serious cost overruns, whether they are green or not, have a new solution. So please help me welcome Aide Fitch.
Shard in London, a stunningly modern work of architecture, 1.5 billion over budget. And here's one that hits close to home. CU's recent Folsom Field expansion, construction costs 24 million over budget. I'm Aide Fitch from CloudForest. We provide a clear view of true costs from the very beginning of building projects. Here's a big part of the problem. Commercial building projects are budgeted and designed without knowing how much they'll cost. Construction costs are revealed just before construction. It's no wonder every building project goes over budget. And it's not just the big glamorous ones, but even small existing office finish outs often go 40% over budget. And then there are other costs that are unknown during the use of the building. CloudForest moves all that information to the beginning and analyzes it. Building owners and their teams can get a complete cost picture in 5 minutes, faster than any tool or process in the industry today. So they can test multiple scenarios quickly. This allows them to try different strategies to balance costs and goals like sustainability, energy efficiency, health, and increased rents. Achieving great buildings is no longer a guessing game. With just a few simple inputs, building owners and their teams can get powerful design feedback. No trained CAD operator or engineer needed. CloudForest finds the best strategies and products that meet the design goals and calculates total costs, so building owners can make better decisions. And it reports in a language that anyone can understand. We built this tool to make our own jobs easier. Here's what we were seeing. In a typical commercial building, there are thousands of design decisions that lead to thousands of choices of building products. If you want to know about a building product, talk to the salesperson. Problem is, there are lots of different salespeople, and their information is continually evolving. It's nearly impossible to do all this research. We developed a platform that collects all this data into big dynamic data sets and analyzes it for building owners and their teams. Obtaining this product data in the first place is a special challenge. Other software companies have tried, But they were talking to manufacturers who often don't know how much their products will cost because they sell through distribution channels. It's the local salespeople who know, and we provide a great motivation for them to work with us. Because we model their products in the complete context of a user's building product salespeople are excited to use CloudForest as a sales platform and to get sales leads. We're targeting the building product industry's estimated marketing spend of $70 billion. But we're not just selling to them. We're also charging a subscription fee to building owners and their teams. We'll help them plan better and rescue them when they're desperate to cut costs. Worldwide, building owners bleed well over $1 trillion in inefficiencies. In the US alone, there are thousands of new commercial buildings built each year, but there are also 6 million existing commercial buildings with maintenance and upgrade projects, and they all need our tool. Our paid customers include cities, developers, and building product salespeople. But we're really excited that San Antonio's Green Building Program is now using CloudForest for all commercial and multifamily projects seeking green permits. They understand that our tool helps build green, sustainable, healthy buildings more cost-effectively. And we're partnering with them to reach the entire building industry in San Antonio. We know this industry because we work in it. We see the barriers to great buildings, and we're removing them. If you're inspired by what we're doing, we would love to hear from you.